Hello everyone, I am Dr. Velamani P.S., Professor, Department of Computer Science, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. In this video, we are going to see about network security and its major concepts. Under network security, there are certain topics which I have marked in green color. Network security and firewall, basic network security, firewalls in the OSI model, network security, types of network security. Network security and firewall. So the aim of the network security is once we are having the interconnection among various systems, the connection the connection was done properly, it's fine. But in between the sender and receiver, we need to make a proper authentication and we need to protect the information which is going to be sent by the sender and which will be received by the receiver. So the message or the information needs to be secured. This particular area which we need to study by using the concept network security and the firewall. The firewall again, the unwanted traffics and all, it will be forbidden and actual informations it will allow to reach the system. So what is network security? So the network security is a level to guarantee that all the machines in a network are working optionally, which includes preventing authorized people from acting on the system maliciously. Then preventing users from performing involuntary operations. Then the securing data by anticipating failures. Then the guaranteeing that services are not interrupted. So the main aim of the network security is to avoid any kind of unauthorized access or to avoid any kind of malicious effect or any kind of data theft and to provide a proper service, guaranteed service, uninterrupted service to the network users in the network communication. Basic network security, we'll see this particular diagram. In between sender and receiver, some of the process has been explained here. So from the sender, plain text is going here. Then the plain text reaches the encryption. Then after that, ciphertext. Then after that, decryption. Finally, again the plain text goes to the receiver. So the encryption and decryption, these are all the process which we can make it. For example, the plain text is reaching the encryption and it cannot be this encryption will convert that plain text which may not be easily readable or understandable by any kind of unauthorized user. So it is non-understandable form it will convert. Then after that the text another side decryption, the non-readable format will be converted into plain text to their specific receiver which is able to understandable by the receiver side. This is the basic network security concept. So when connecting a matching to a network, we need to make ensure no one will easily break into it. Crackers often run network scan utilities that check large range of IP addresses, and they will disable any demons starting by your own system by removing the relevant links in its directory. So the unauthorized access, some unauthorized people, they can do anything at any time in our system, in our network system. So we need to protect our system. That is the thing. For that, the firewalls in the OSI model, the firewalls. So what are all the firewalls which we can see in the OSI model? In the OSI model, we can have the 7 layers. First 3 layers have the application gateways. Transport layer, it is having circuit gateways. Network layer, packet filtering, and data link layer, MAC layer, firewalls. So these different type of firewalls we will study in detail in our future presentations. So network security will ensure the confidentiality of the information. So once sender intended receiver should understand the message contents. Sender encrypts message, receiver decrypts the message. So it authenticate the sender and receiver wants to confirm identity of each other. Message integrity. Sender receiver wants to ensure message not altered. So as it in transit or afterwards without detection. Access and availability. Services must be available and available to the user. Types of network security. That's a firewall. So from the internet, the firewall is there. Through the firewall, the internet private network is connected, that which is marked in blue color over here. From the internet, the firewall will check the traffic, the network traffic. So it allowed the traffic which is authorized one, authenticated one to the internal private network. So it will skip or it will avoid the unwanted traffic at this stage. Types of network security. Wi-Fi protect access. So the Wi-Fi protect access encrypts the information and checks to make sure that the network security key has been modified. It is designed to work with all wireless network adapters. Then the MAC address. It is an unique identifier assigned to network interfaces for communication on the physical network segment. Then the Project 802.1 authentication. This authentication help enhance security for 802.11 wireless networks and wired Ethernet networks. So with this presentation is completed, and we have seen certain areas related to the network security, and in between sender and receiver, how the information or the how the communication can be done, and how these secure or safe information will be transferred by using encryption and decryption, and different layer level, different firewalls also we have studied. Then at the same time, different types of network security also we have studied in this. Then the firewall, the concept of firewall also we have gone through in this slide. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.